Thanks for tuning in. Another unboxing, another review video of a watch that I probably shouldn't have bought, but it was one of those things where I'd seen a number of other YouTubers show it off, review it, say it's a ridiculous watch for the money, and I was on AliExpress and I had a number of things in my shopping cart, and I decided that, well, I'm buying 4 watches, I might as well buy a 5th or 6th, or I've actually lost count. So this is the PD 17, God, I can't tell, 1731, I think. I'll double check that once I take the plastic off. I'm guilty of not even doing my homework before starting this little clip. Yeah, I'll be taking the plastic off and taking some measurements and sizing it to my wrist, which I'm not wearing a thing right now. But I had to look and double check that I paid what I paid for this, because even out of the box with the plastic on, I can't get over how inexpensive this is. I mean, it's a gorgeous dial, and despite that sweeping second hand, it is not an automatic, it's a quartz. But it uses a VK. I'll double check after I take all the plastic off and all that stuff. I have a feeling this is going to be quite nice. Stay tuned. I'll be back momentarily with some more details. And we're back, and I've done my homework, and I have resized this to my 7-inch wrist with the included screwdriver. I love this clasp. It's signed with the logo, and it's triple safety fold over clasp with dual push button triggers to open it. Milled clasp with micro adjust. Hooray for those days where you feel like going a bit overboard with the salt, and your wrist expands. You need to do some adjustments. Fits very, very nice. Stay tuned till the end for some wrist rolls. The thing I like about this is it's a 20 mil lug width, but it tapers down to 16 mil, so it wears really, really, really comfortably. Solid stainless steel bracelet. 316L stainless steel strap with screw pins. The edges are polished, but everything else is brushed, so it's just gorgeous. Even you've got some polishing on the case sides. It's a stainless steel case. You've got a brushed bezel, and it uses a VH31 movement, which is why, despite the fact that it's a quartz, you've got a sweeping second hand. Sapphire crystal, as you saw before I took the plastic off. There's a nice big sapphire sticker on the front. The movement, VH31, is from Japan. Whether or not it's made by Seiko or not, we don't know, but that's not really important. I mean, it's bulletproof, or should be bulletproof. Screw down crown and a solid screw back with 100 meters of water resistance. The dial itself, you can see it's the famous blue, but it's got a texture to it. My phone's telling me to move back for better focus, but you can see there's a texture to it, and this I doubt very much this is picking up what this does, or how gorgeous this dial is, but in person it's gorgeous. Even my wife said, wow, that's really nice, and I have to admit, I like wearing it. 38 millimeter case diameter, 12.5 millimeter thickness, and as I mentioned, 20 mil lug width, so straps are easy to find. And stay tuned for strap rolls and strap swaps and wrist rolls, as well as a loom shot. Again, like, I'm not even sure why I bother with a loom shot on a watch like this, because you don't buy it for the loom. You buy it to wear during the day or to go out on date night, and you're not looking at it at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I'll put the info card, as I usually do, at the end, before the strap swap clips roll, and I'll put a link in the description as to where I bought it. I'll also put a link in the description for my eBay store where I'm selling other watches. I may sell this one. I may not. I don't know. It depends on how much wrist time it gets. My journey is ongoing as to what I like and what I like to wear. I have to admit, even though this doesn't have a sub-second, like a small second, I seem to like watches with small second dials. I like the style. I like that it's very fussy, or very unfussy rather. It doesn't have a date. Not a huge big of a deal for me, but I like that I can glance at it and know what time it is and continue doing whatever I'm doing. So that's it. I'm gonna put it on my wrist again. Maybe I'll wear it for the rest of the day. There we go. Enjoy the rest of the video, and comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm happy to hear what you have to say about it, and whether or not you bought it, or if you bought some of the other colors that are available. Thanks again, and have yourself a great day.
Dun, 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 dun.